Good morning everyone. I am Sneha Patel of class 8 from Delhi Public School. Today I am going to tell you about the first chapter of science, that is crop production. So what is crop? Let me tell you, the product of the cultivated plants is known as crop. It is used as food too. Let's come on to our second topic, that is different types of crops. There are two types of crops, the Kharif crops and the Rabi crops. Kharif crops are the crops which are sown in the beginning of monsoon and harvested at the end of monsoon. For example, paddy and maize. On the other hand, Rabi crops are the crops which are sown in the beginning of winter and harvested in the month of March and April. That is coming soon. Let's come on to the third topic, that is steps to grow crops. The first step is preparation of soil. It is the first step in the growing crops and it is very necessary. It involves turning and loosening of the soil. The second step is sowing seeds. It is very necessary and farmers use good quality of seeds that give high yield. Let's come on to the third step, that is adding manure and fertilizer. Let me tell you what is manure and what is fertilizer. Manure are the natural substances which are made from the plants and animals. On the other hand, fertilizer are the substances which are made in laboratories and factories and made from the chemicals. Let's come on to the fourth topic, that is irrigation. The regular water supply at the regular intervals is known as irrigation, and it is very necessary for the germination of plants. Let's come on to the fifth topic, protection from weeds. Protection from weeds is very necessary as weeds are undesirable plants which destroy the crop and it uses all its nutrients. The sixth topic is harvesting. The harvesting is something when the cultivated crops are cutted after its maturation. Let's come on to the last topic, that is storage. Farmers do storage in jute bags and metallic bins, and the large scale of the storage is done in silos and grain. This is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Let's meet soon in another section with new topic. Thank you.